Right, so time for another update. It's been a while. Kind of messy actually. So I've had trouble with a 3D printer. Word of warning about those. These inductive sensors that seem to be quite popular, they're kind of temperature sensitive. So if you calibrate at the wrong temperature, bad things can happen, like the print head digging into the table. So not nice. At least the cheap ones. Anyway, I did manage to fix that and have the internal base case printed. Although even there I made a mistake. This is the keyboard that'll go on top. The support structures, I accidentally told it to print in a cross-hatched sort of hexagonal style, so very strong. I can't remove it, but it does give you an idea of roughly how big this is going to be. Again, so this is the internal case that'll house the electronics. Keyboard will be secured on top, and then the LCD screen. So given that I can't test out the internals, it's back to the computer. So this is the internal case. I'll just pull the lid off. The layout that I've gone for in the end is I've put the two fans here, so it sucks in air over the UPS and across into the battery and the electronics. I ended up putting the hard drive above the graphics card, not below. That makes it easy to remove. And also it means that there's more than enough space to have a graphics card with a big cool. Even some of the lower end cards, so that the low power cards have some thick coolers, so this gives plenty of space for that. Is there anything else that's important here? Not really. The most difficult part was actually the mounting frame for this thing. This is the 90-degree riser for the graphics card. Managing to fit that in and be able to have the mounting point for the graphics card while having it secure, that was quite a challenge, but I've managed to squeeze it all in a way that I'm happy with. So that's as far as I've got now. Next thing will be to create a model of this thing, keyboard, and then get on with the lid, and finally the outside of the case. So I'm hoping to get things moving faster now. That's it for now. I'll see you when I've got some more progress to show.